In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can import 3D models, scenes and materials from Sketchfab directly into Blender using the plugin or add-on that you can find in GitHub. So let's go step by step. Now, first of all, maybe you already know Sketchfab. This is a platform, website essentially that has a lot of 3D models that you can download for free and you can use for free. You can also buy and sell 3D models, and you can do that with the plugins as well. We already created some video guides about Sketchfab and also about Blender. And also you can check the full video course on Blender on the channel. So if you're interested, you can go there and search it, or you can write in the comments your questions or ask for assistance. You can also give your suggestions. Okay, so what we need here is to search for this Sketchfab for Blender add-on or plugin, which is it's currently on GitHub, so it can be found on GitHub, which is the open source platform to download open source software. So just search for Sketchfab Blender, click on the first result here, and get on the GitHub page. And if we go on the right side of this page, you should see here the releases. So this is going to be like the latest release, and it's on March the 17, the 2022. So it's the latest one. It's compatible with Blender 3, the latest version of Blender. So all you need to do is click here on this link and download the zip file, and you can see it's right there. Usually it's gonna be in your download folder, or you can choose a specific folder when you download. So click here, choose a specific folder. In my case, I've added this to an add-ons folder in my Blender 3 video course folder, and just click save. That's all you need to do. You don't need to extract it, you don't need to do anything, you just need to go back here in Blender and do a really easy operation. So you go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, click on Install, and look for the zip file that you just downloaded and saved in the folder that you specified. So in my case, it's called Add-ons. And this is the zip file, and I will click on Install Add-on. And this is gonna install the plugin or the add-on. And the last thing you want to make sure is to have this checked. You need to check on this checkbox here, so everything is gonna work properly. So I'm gonna close this now, and you will find the plugin on the right side of the interface. So if you click on this little arrow and expand this tool here, this toolbar, or you can also press the N key on the keyboard, or you can see it also here, the sidebar. So just click there and it's gonna open up. Now usually this is where all the plugins will show up. So this is the Sketchfab plugin right here. Now how does it work? Let's close everything here. Now the first thing, you need to log in. So you can see I've already logged in right now. So if you don't have an account, you should go into the website, create an account real fast and real easy, and then get back here and click here and insert your username, which will be like your email, and your password, and that's it. Just click login and you are in. Once you're in, you can start to use the various tools. In particular, we're gonna see the import section here, but you can also export your works from Blender into Sketchfab. So let's go to import, and we have two ways we can import. We can import directly using the URL from the website when we find an interesting model, or even better, we can just search here the site. You can search all sites, you can search only the professional, and so on. Now right here is where you will type the thing that you're looking for. So let's say that we are looking for a bench. So I'm gonna press enter here, and this is gonna show me a bench that I can add to my scene. And this is just to show me roughly what I would like to search. So if I click on this thumbnail, it's gonna show me like similar objects. So let's say that I want to add a simple park bench. So I'm gonna click here and then click on import model, and it's gonna import the model. Now here you can see the author of the file, you can see the license, you can see how many vertices, how many faces, and if it's animated or not. And with this little link icon, you can click there, you can jump directly into the website. And again, that's going to show you the author and all other information, or if you have like different types of formats and file that you can download. Well, now that's pretty big. So the first thing you should see here, the first thing you want to check is how big it is and where it's positioned. So let's go to the scale tool and let's make sure that we have everything selected here in the park bench. Now when you start to import, everything is gonna go there in the outliner, so you can find it there. So these are all the other things that I have imported. I'm gonna show you also the models. So I'm just gonna scale it until it's in the correct measure, and then I can position this using the move tool. And there you go. So there's my nice bench. So for the tree, just type tree. Now if you want to create something real quick here, so this is the tree that I've chosen from the Epic Tree Store. And then the architecture, you can type architecture, and you can find here different types of architecture. This one here, it's called exterior architecture from this author right here. And again, if you click on this link, you can jump into the page, you can check the author and other works, all the other information. You can download it also from here. You can see the different formats, Blender, GLTF, and so on. So yeah, you can also download it in Blender and then open it directly in Blender. But this is a quick way to assemble scenes with different things inside. Now this other here is kind of a landscape. So you can do architecture, you can do interior design, you can do landscape, scenes, you can really do whatever you want. So just click here, you will find other landscape like Iceland, desert, mossy, and I think that I found this one here searching in architecture actually, and just using this next page I arrived to that one. Just let's see here. Yeah, this is kind of a city landscape, urban, and things like that. Well, I don't really find it, so let's see using the name, which is this model here. I think it's this one here, North Tamberlandia. So I can search for these directly. There you go. So if you have the name, you can search for that particular asset directly. And again, just click on import, insert into the scene, scale it appropriately, and that's it. That's all you need to do basically. It's to create your scene real easy, real fast, free, and that's it. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel. And if you want to support us with a little donation, you can do it by joining the channel. You can check our other video guides about 3D and 3D software and CAD and BIM software. You can also check the video courses that you will find in the channel. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.